Yes, it's the final day of the build of the washer tumble dryer. Actually, it's not a tumble dryer, but maybe we can do that in the future. But anyway, let's go and see what he's on about today. I believe if I go this way, he'll go that way. Let's go. Ah, good morning. You know what time it is. Ah, much better. Right, today's plan: plumbing, painting, finishing up some little bits on the side, motor. Got to get some power in it somewhere so we can actually rotate this and blade. Anyway, less talking. Let's get on with it. I hope you guys have got a brew on as well. Let's get back into it. Yeah! Right, we've got a guest. John, to be specific. We've got 15mm barrier pipe. We've got 50mm equal tees. We've also got some 50mm 10 center tees. So see, you've got 15, 15, 10mm coming out. I'll show you about that a bit later on. Also, we've got some inserts. If you're ever using plastic, always put an insert in it because otherwise the pipe will just pull out. We've got some cable ties. We got enough stuff to do some plumbing stuff. So let the plumbing commence. Yo, another epic day. We've done all the plumbing part of it. We've put some regulators in there so we can kind of modulate the pressure. Painted it a bit more black in places. What else have we done today? We've done loads of stuff, but yeah, it's getting there. I'm really pleased with it. So, and obviously I've got to do this outer edge, clean it as well because it's full of sawdust. But I'll see you guys probably very shortly, but I'm gonna go and get some rest and I'll see you in the morning for some coffee. Okay, bye-bye. Right, pause the video, hold on a second. He doesn't really ever wear safety goggles, so I was thinking for an idea for you, Johnson. Hold on, I'll be back in a second. 360 safety goggles. I think this could work quite well. There you go, kids. Always wear protection on your eyes if you need guys. But anyway, let's carry on with this. See you in a bit. Bye-bye. Morning. Coffee. And a big round of applause. Please welcome the Universal Highway Patrol. It definitely looks like it's patrolled some highways in its time. But anyway, we're going to nick the gearing off this. We're probably going to cut it up and sling it on the back, and hopefully that will give us a better ratio. Wheels on and it's hella windy. Little behind the scenes video. I know some of you guys are thinking, oh, what a waste of time, Johnson. All you're going to do is going to fill up water and you're going to have to get a paddle and paddle it out. But I thought of something. What I've done, well, I'll demonstrate instead. Little gully here. Bit of water there. Oh, look at it going down the old gully there, boy. Hey! Look at that. Straight out. Got a nice little slant on it. We'll put a drain on it. Everything like that. So if any of you guys are wondering, well, there you go. so that concludes the final part of the build. Stay tuned for Sunday when we'll be releasing the actual complete washer build. Excuse the wind, it's horrendously windy and I've still not got a mic. But anyway, hopefully it will clean the bike and make it look real nice and shiny. But in the meantime, look after your eyes and we'll see you on Sunday. Take care, bye-bye. Oh, you know the score. Come on, look at it, beautiful, beautiful. Nice doorstop.